Hi, I'm Chef Amy Hoagie, and I'm here to teach you how to play with food, where I take a classic ingredient, play around with it a little bit to create a whole new recipe. So today I'm playing with pretzels, and I've actually crunched them up, and we're going to be tossing them in on top of some strawberries, some chopped up strawberries, and then I have some real whipped cream. So what we're going to do first is I'm going to go ahead, and I like this little stem remover. It's a perfect tool to help kind of get rid of the stems and the cores of different fruits and vegetables. I'm going to do that. These are huge, nice and juicy red strawberries. Okay. Then what I'm going to do, we really don't need, this is a one-person serving. You're not going to need a whole lot of strawberries. Basically, I'm going to dice these up like so. Okay, and then what we're going to do is, like I said, I crunched up my pretzels already. That'll make like a nice little chopped topping on top, kind of like pretzels. Woo, I'm getting a little crazy with the strawberries. And then what we're going to do is, of course, whipped cream is lovely. Whipped cream makes everything a special occasion, right? So I'm going to go ahead and shake this puppy up. You got to get the real whipped cream stuff, not that light, fluffy, funky stuff out there. The real whipped cream is what you want. So I'm going to go ahead. Ooh, and it's a little messy. Have a little fun with that. Going to sprinkle on some pretzels, and then the creme de la creme. I'm going to take some of that melted chocolate, melt some chocolate in the microwave. Ooh, I'm going to drizzle it. Oh yeah. Okay. All you got to do is melt some chocolate chips in a glass or ceramic dish on high, 35 seconds. Give it a mix. Put it back in another 35. Give it a stir, and it's nice and smooth and melted. Here you go, a strawberry pretzel whipped cream dessert. Super yummy. Thanks for joining me. I'm Chef Amy Hoagie. For more information, you can visit me on my website at chefamy, that's with 2 E's.com.